Hi, I just wanted to show y'all the first couple problems on homework tonight so that you know what I am expecting. So when we're using the distributive property to write an equivalent expression, it might ask us to pull out the greatest common factor, which is what we'll be doing in number 1, or distributing to the parentheses in number 3. So I'm going to show you numbers 1 and 3. So I'm going to look at number 1, and I'm going to find the greatest common factor of 5 and 20. So I have 5 and 20, and we use the ladder method. So I'm going to draw an L underneath, and I'm going to think, okay, what can I divide both 5 and 20 by? Well, I can divide them both by 5. So I'm going to write that to the side. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So I know that this is what's going to go inside my parentheses. So when I'm rewriting this expression, 5 is what I pull out, and then I have my parentheses, and it's not just 5, it's 5x, so I have 1x, or just x, plus, because there's a plus sign here, 4, close parentheses. So all I did was take out the greatest common factor and put it outside the parentheses and leave the other factors in parentheses. Okay, so the next one we're distributing. We're going to be distributing the 8, whatever's outside the parentheses, to each term inside the parentheses, and we have 2 terms here. So I would distribute the 8 to the 4n. So I would say 8 times, we use this little dot to represent times, 4n plus, because I have a plus sign here, got to distribute the 8 to the 3. 8 times 3. So 8 times 4 is 32. So I have 32n plus 8 times 3. And here's my answer, and I'm going to write it on the line. 32n plus 24. So there's both sets. So if you see it written out without parentheses, it wants you to rewrite it as an equivalent expression with parentheses. If it's written with parentheses, you're distributing. I hope this is helpful. Thanks.